Hi then, welcome to another episode of YPS Chat. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy, and in this video we're going to look at a kitchen we recently fitted in Menston.
Right, you know the routine by now, so let's have a look at the before pictures. Yeah, it's a bit messy and disorganised.
Yeah, totally agree.
Right, let's have a look at the design that Michelle came up with then. Wow, that looks pretty impressive.
Yeah, that looks great, so let's have a look at the finished job then.
You know what, that's absolutely stunning. So what can you tell us about that, Andy?
Well, first of all, it's a Woodbury Symphony kitchen with Ivory doors and carcasses and the lovely Ancona chrome handles.
And if you look, the worktops are in a beautiful black granite which look amazing.
Yeah, and the customer chose a lovely Alusplash splashback.
Put your teeth in.
In green of all colours.
Green, I'd never have thought that would look good, but it looks fantastic.
That's why we do the videos and not the design.
Hey, listen, we're the marketing dudes here.
Yeah, so on this job we had to work very closely with the customers on the design solutions because one of the customers is blind.
Yeah, so what Michelle did with the design, she specified bifold opening doors which open upwards because Mr. Harris was worried about walking into an open cabinet door which is obviously at face height.
Yeah, and we also supplied the induction hob with rotary controls rather than the touch. Obviously this makes it easier for them to use.
Yeah, and again Mr. Harris modified that himself with raised blobs around the dial so it can feel like braille in a way, exactly where he turned the dial to.
Yeah, and last of all, where the worktop finishes near the door, we cut it off at an angle just so the customer didn't walk into the sharp edge.
Yeah, so if we look at those pictures again, let's have a look at those design points. Yeah, nice, very clever.
If Michelle hears you say that, she'll get too big for her boots.
No way, listen, I'm the boss around here.
I don't think so.
Oi, there's no need for that.
Anyway, well, thanks for watching. We hope you found it useful and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you around, bye for now.